Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about how to purchase a product in Exitus Elite, how to get everything set up. So, for those of you who have just come to one of my videos, if you don't know what Exitus Elite is an all-in-one training and mentoring platform. So all our products are designed to help you help teach you how to make money online, how to create a online business, how to promote Exitus Elite, and any other business that you decide to promote in the future. So you're going to get a lot of training, a lot of support in this business, not to mention also our team bonuses. You're going to get some team bonus training, and when you join our team. And so I love Exitus Elite. It's been running strong for 8 years. We have a terrific owner in Paul Stevenson. He cares about the company and us affiliates, and even to this day, this business is getting updates on a regular basis. I have no fear of bringing anyone into this business because I know how much Paul Stevenson loves Exitus Elite and loves giving value to us, because even after 8 years, this business is still being updated with new tools and new resources to help us affiliates. So we're going to get started now. So basically what you're going to do on all my videos, the very first link here is to Exitus Elite. Now, this may change over time, may be a different capture page, but let me just move myself up here for a second. So you, excuse me. So you'll just put your information here. I'll say my name, my email address. Telephone number, and then it's going to take you to this page right here. It's going to tell you to confirm your email address. We do this so we make sure that we have real emails and not fake ones, because sometimes that can hurt. Is basically for security purposes only. And then once you confirm your email, you can hit show me presentation. Now this is actually a bridge page that you can create for your Exitus Elite business. I did it because I wanted a place where people can see me. They know I'm a real person and that I am here to help. I put my phone number out there for people to call me. I encourage people to call me even before they join, but whether they call me before or after, I am here to help. So this is just another way to build rapport and trust with my team. So, and then it's basically a very short video, and then you just click down here, and this page may be different in the future. We do have a team sales page that we're giving out to people that come in at the G500 or above. So you might end up coming to, let's see here, this page right here. So this very first page right here, this first video right here is that same presentation that you saw here. And then when you want to join, you can watch these other videos too if you want. And then you just hit the Join Exitus Elite Now button right here. So I don't know if by the time you're watching this video, if this will be the page that you'll be seeing, or if it's this page right here. either or, you just click learn more right here to get to the page. And then on both pages, you'll come to this page right here. There's a join now button right here. If you want to learn more about Exitus Elite right here, you can do that. These are the prices for all the products. So just hit the join now button, and then you'll come to the to pay for the product. Now all the products in Exitus Elite are all educational products. So in Exitus Elite we have our lower level products, and then we got our high level products where you can make the $1,000 commissions and the $2,000 commissions. I came in here at the G1000. So you can choose whichever one you want. I recommend coming in here at the G1000 only because when you come in here, you have the ability to make those life-changing $1,000 commissions, plus you unlock all these products right here at no extra cost. So you can make $100 commissions, $250 commissions, and $500 commissions as well, plus the pass-ups and the overrides. Now, if you want to learn more about that, watch all my other videos on Exitus Elite. I have a new one coming out soon, so you can watch that one as well, where I'll explain all that. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to show you how to pay for the product. So, in Exitus Elite, all the money that goes to Exitus Elite is through the membership fee. Now, this used to be a yearly membership fee, but because Paul Stevenson is such an amazing owner of this business, and he cares about us affiliates, he finally got rid of the yearly fee, and now it's only a one-time payment. So this is step one. So to buy a product in Exitus Elite is a three-step process. So you pay the membership fee, that money goes to Exitus Elite. Then to participate in the Exitus Elite compensation plan, you have to make a product purchase via your sponsor. So you pay for the product by sending the commission to your sponsor. So this is how you're going to get paid your instant commission, because in Exitus Elite we get paid instantly to the payment processor of our choice. So whether that's PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, whatever it is, that's how we get paid. So you pay the membership fee, and then you pay your sponsor their commission, and that's also going to pay for the product. So when you first come into your back office, you might find a page that looks like this down at the bottom of your page. I believe that's where it was when I joined. I joined a while back, so I don't remember completely, but I believe that's the case. If it's not, I believe you come here to profile, and then my payment options or something like that. So what's going to happen is you're going to click on whatever payment processor you want to pay me with. So you can choose PayPal, and wherever you see the blue lettering, that's the link to the payment processor. So when you join, oops, wrong one, you're going to come to a page similar to this. So you click, let's say you click PayPal. This page with the instructions is going to come up. You're going to hit the blue lettering, and that's the link, and that will take you to the PayPal button. And then you're also going to click this big green button here, and then you're going to get, are you sure? So you can do this before you send the payment or after, as long as you hit yes that I sent the payment, because what's going to happen is I'm going to get an email from Exitus Elite saying a payment was sent. So just hit yes to confirm the payment, and and then there may be, once you pay for everything, there's going to be some terms of service that you have to agree to. So you just agree to those terms of service to make everything else complete. So that's how you pay for a product in Exitus Elite. So just to recap real quick, you select the thing that you want to buy. So you're going to pay the admin fee, then pay for the product / pay your sponsor their commission, and then after that you've paid for the product, and then you can get started with Exitus Elite. So what you're going to get when you join my team is you're going to get this 3 generations bonus training. Now, I was going to go do something similar to this for my team, but I asked my friend if we could work together, so because he already had all these training videos already made for his team. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you all this training. You're going to get 28 videos. Now, my friend here, he's been in Exitus Elite for 6 years. For 6 years, he's been averaging between $1,000 to $2,000 instant commissions on a weekly basis. And this is all his training. You're going to learn all his secrets on how he became such a success in this business. So, and on top of that, all the Exitus Elite products are also training courses. So you're going to learn through the products and through this team bonus training that we're going to give you. And not only do you get these 28 videos here, and these are all short videos, we have longer videos where he also gives more training down here as well. This is all a gold mine of information that's going to help teach you how to make 6 figures in Exitus Elite. So you're going to get this at sign up, regardless of what product level that you come in at. So, and then if you come in at the G500 and above, you're also going to get this team sales page that will be branded to you, so you can add all your links here, your social media, your phone number, your email address, whatever it is. You can put that. We'll add that to your Exitus Elite business. So, and we even give you an option on where to buy traffic. So if you want to get some eyes on Exitus Elite, we have some paid traffic right here that you can use as well. So that's how you purchase a product in Exitus Elite. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope if you still have questions, feel free to call me. My phone number is all over all my videos. It's in the description below. As you can see right here, all my contact information is here, including my Facebook. Send me a friend request, and you can also connect with me through Facebook Messenger. So if you want to call me through the Facebook Messenger app, you can. So, and my profile picture is the same across all of my social media, so it should be very easy to find. All you gotta do is type in Matthew Letendre and look for this this profile picture. Now on Facebook, I have 2 different accounts. I think I have the same profile picture there. Look for the one that has the most followers. That's the one you want to go with. You can just click this link down here. So whatever you do, connect with me. Alright? So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure you like the video, comment below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.